What's in the bag, Irene?
Ladybugs.
What are you doing, Irene?
I am going to release predatory mites and lacewings. Set them up so they can come out. Everything is covered with ladybugs. This is awesome. It was so much fun to see ladybugs on everything this morning instead of seeing nasty critters. Okay, so I'll do this one first. This is predatory mites. I already decided I'm going to put this right over the seedling area. Seems like that would be the most useful spot. And it says, hang slow release bags from the branches of the plants in the infested area. Well, none of our plants are old enough, big enough for that sort of stuff, but I'm just going to hang it up there. These almost, the picture I saw of these, they almost look like, look like a little aphid, so I'm going to have to definitely tune into what they really look like. I'm going to set this here. We're having ladybug parties here on the front of this thing. I'm just going to tape this to the frame. These are the lacewings, and it says they give you these little they give you these little bags, and it says you put these, the eggs are in the rice hulls. They suggest putting them on like this. And just hanging these around. I just bought 1,000 of these. Only. I'm going to take the bags. I put one over here. One's a bite that you're allergic to, so they can go away. I'm going to put one over here temporarily. Got a bunch of seedlings stashed over here. There's pieces of wood chips over here from the ladybug release last night, and this one wood chip was doing a teeter-totter because of all the ladybugs walking back and forth on it. There we go. So that's it. Now we just get to hang around and watch for them. We've got ladybugs from last night, we've got lacewings, and we've got predatory mites. Ladybugs are just all over everything. I wanted to get them done last night because they say release those at either dawn or dusk. And they were alive, and I wanted to get them out here so that they could start doing their thing. And they were just, I sprayed everything with the nectar again this morning, but they were just on it last night. It was amazing. And some of the plants that I knew had a lot of mites on it were just coated with ladybugs. It was kind of cool but gross at the same time. Yeah, they were just chowing. I'm good with this. And I got the nectar because I knew that ladybugs will leave. So the longer I can keep them around, the better off I am, because we're going to continue to get bugs in here. It's nice to be able to glance at the plants and not see bugs climbing around on them, except for ladybugs. I'm curious to get the bottoms of these things. This one in particular yesterday, the bok choy, was just covered with thrips, and I was squishing them as much as I could. I don't see a single one on there. So I think our ladybugs worked hard all night. They're starting to wake up again this morning. It's kind of cute. But you can hear them when they hit the floor because they go clunk because of the cover on the floor. Okay, I think it's time for us to go get breakfast.